got it. What's going on, baby?
Hell yeah.
So what cut we doing? I ain't seen you like this.
Man, this done blew me.
Ain't no waves up under there.
Who you
Nigga,
talking?
please.
What you on that?
Nigga, ain't no waves up under there.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Nah.
So, how we cutting it though?
Same way.
Oh, so you all cutting it down?
Yeah, it's
I
got
ain't know.
beard. I just want the stash and it. You could only
Take it off.
I only want the coat cheap.
This nigga here, boy. Well, welcome back. What's going on, YouTube? So today, as y'all can see, we got a nice transformation that's about to happen. Or y'all don't know what's about to happen, but y'all about to watch what's happening, right? So this is my guy. He had some time away, so he back now. And as you can see, I got this new clipper from Superint, right? So I'm taking it down with a 2 first. And as you can see at the beginning, I was combing everything out, making sure I had everything stretched out to its full potential. Because he used to be a true waver. So he, like I said, he ain't had a cut in a minute. So right now you see me taking it down with a 2. And we do eventually take it down lower because he does get a high ball taper. So we do end up taking it a little bit lower. And I'm just brushing everything out right here. So we do start with the cocoa trimmers, putting in that ball line for the high taper. It will be a ball taper. And he is cutting everything off on the side, so there will be no beard work or anything of that nature. And right here, we're going to start with the 1.5. Again, it is a high ball fade, high ball taper. And I know somebody's going to say it's too high, this and that, but I've been cutting his hair for a few years, and this is how we always cut it. So I'm taking that 2 guard right here and just getting that bulk out the way before I start the fade. And this was my first time actually using these clippers. I think they are called the Phantom, and they from Superint. So this is my first time actually getting to using them. And I'm starting with the ball fade. So I put the line in, I start with it closed, open it a little bit, and as you can see, just flicking at that line. Using these clippers, I will put a full review out. Using these clippers so far, I have ran into they don't cut as smooth as I would like them. And as you can see, when I start to fade here, it don't blend as well. So I will go back later and kind of clean up the taper. But we got that half guard, starting with the same position, all the way closed, halfway open, all the way open. I don't, if you've been watching my page or channel for a little while, you know I don't put in the hard lines to do the fade. I just kind of fade up as I go, and then come back later to kind of clean it up. That's the process that's worked for me. Not saying it's the only way, but it has worked for me. It kind of helped me stay in position and know where I am with the fade. We got the 1 guard on there, and I am using my wall guards. This clipper did come with its own guards, but I'm more of a wall person when it comes to the guards, the premiums. So again, same process, 1.5. And as you can see, it is a high taper. We're gonna go behind the ear just to kind of blend everything in together. And as you can see, it's a decent fade, but I do come back later. As you will see, I come back later with the JRLs, and then I'll, like on the other side, I'm gonna use my sideboard clippers. It just gives a better blend to me personally. And with that 2.5, the reason I'm going higher with the 2.5, like I said, because we do eventually bring the top down a little bit more. So I went on and start to cut out more of the bulk up closer to the top of the fade. Now, if his waves was already in here, I would cut down with the grain a little bit more. But we just trying to give him a good blend. He hasn't had a cut, and I think the last time I cut his hair was about 6 months. And y'all can go back on my Instagram page, and I've posted him quite a few times. He, like, waves used to be crazy. So they're there. He just got to work on getting them back. And this is the other side of the head, which I do the same process, taking that 1.5, cutting out the bulk. Then I'll go on to that 2 a little bit higher. But I did decide to go with the cyborgs on the other side, just because that blade on the cyborgs, if y'all watch my review on those, it just gives a better blend. That thin blade or that vapor blade is just very smooth with this machine. So same process, no guard, close halfway, all the way open, half guard, 1.5, and then into that 2 is kind of cleaning up on the side. As you can see, we in our new location, and I am trying to work on my angles. This actually has in this shop has given me better angles than I was getting at my other spot, but I am still trying to work on making sure that I can get the right angles that I want to. And right here we got the 1 guard open. We're just cutting everything down. Back of the neck taper, same steps, 1.5, 2, and then we start at the bottom of it with the taking out that ball line. What's good about him not having a cut in a while, as you can see on the back of his neck, where you would line it up, it gives a better view of where to put that line up on the side, rather than him had been going to another barber in that time that he hadn't got cut from me, and the line getting pushed in. He just didn't get cut, so now I got a full head of hair on the side and where the lineup is, and I can get a good crispy line on the side without pushing it in too far. As y'all can see right here, I'm brushing everything to the side, taking my flex trimmers, and boom, just tap. Oh, I love these. If y'all want to buy anything from Stylecraft, especially these flex trimmers, make sure y'all try these flex trimmers out. Use my discount code Cuts by Reggie. Save you a couple dollars while you are getting your clients stupid crispy. I love them trimmers. It's really the blade. I mean, the Stylecraft trimmers have been good, but that gold blade that they have is just top tier. And here we are with the front of the head. Look, just tap and go. I'm starting in the middle, bringing it to my left side, and then we'll hit the vertical bars as well. But as you can see, the trimmers are there. The lining is there. Going to the edge of the eyebrow. I don't want to go too far in, and he also too far back, and he also don't like it too far in. So I do go back into his hairline a little bit, just to give it that wider look that he likes to go for. Like I said, I've been cutting him for a little while, so we kind of know the steps, and I know what I'm trying to achieve when I'm lining him up. And we're just gonna go to the other side, put that vertical bar on them, then we're just gonna connect it, going from one side to the other side. While I'm trying to do this video and get my new camera and angles, my camera does die, but y'all can see the cut without the enhancements. It's there, but we do use enhancements. We kind of pop it out a little bit. As you can see, I done cleaned his face up. So with me not having extra batteries in the shop at the time, now I do have extra batteries, but I need to keep them at the shop. But as y'all can see, the cut, I did not get to record the enhancements. At least I thought it was recorded, but you can see, as I told you, that I would go back into that fade on the other side. I didn't really like the blend that it was given with the Phantom clippers, so I did go back with my cyborgs, just to kind of give it a nice little blend and tap into it a little bit more. But as you can see, that is the cut. If you have any questions, any disrespect that some of you like to leave it down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, like it, dislike it. Peace.